Hello friends, I am Zara and welcome to Zara's Kitchen. These are the ingredients: half kg chicken, 4 green chilies, 1 tablespoon of salt. This is garam masala and kasuri methi. This is 3 chopped tomatoes, roast onion, jeera and dhania. This is chaat masala, lemon juice and ginger garlic paste. Friends, now we are going to mix these three by adding in one bowl. We have mixed the chaat masala. Now we are going to fry the chicken. Friends, we have to put enough oil. Friends, I have added the oil and now I'm going to fry the chicken until it gets golden. Now we are going to cover it in 5 minutes. Then we will do it on the other side too. Friends, 5 minutes has passed and the chicken is ready. Be careful that it's hot, so I'll use a towel. See how it turned golden? Left side. The chicken has turned golden. Nice fried. We're going to put it aside. And now we're going to fry the chili. Add it just one by one. Now we will fry them. Friends, I have taken out the extra oil. for 5 minutes. We will let it cook for 5 minutes and then we will add the chicken again. Friends, 5 minutes has passed and it's ready. Now we are going to add the chicken again. Careful, it's hot. Try to be careful and don't do the same as I did. Now we are going to add the salt. We have added the mixed masala. And now we are going to mix it. Such a nice smell. Since we have added the masala, it has a nice. We're going to cover it for 15 minutes. Until the chicken is done. 15 minutes have passed and now I'm going to open to see our koila kadai. Now I'm going to add some salt. Mix it a little bit. And now add the chilies. You see, friends, the koila kadai is almost finished. Friends, koila is almost ready. You'll make a small place. Friends, we have put in the foil in the center. Now we're going to put the chocolate and on top of it we're going to add some oil. Now we're going to cover it. And it will be done in a few minutes, and at last we will add lemon juice. And 15 minutes, the minutes has passed and now we are going to take out the cap